Watching the Panagia Hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is some nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests are required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Booking or more details, check the description. If you have already